Today I'm gonna show you how to make this kind of egg. First, remove the cube, then add mesh UV sphere, change to 16 segments and 10 rings. Then go to edit mode, vertex select top one, go to front view, use the proportional editing, move along the z-axis. Go back to edit object mode, then smooth. Make a copy of it and move it along the x-axis. Go back to your first egg and zoom into it using numpad slash. Go to edit mode, wire, view, alt Z, select these faces with face select. Then go to vertex, face map, assign these to health, and these assign them to inner. So make sure. Wait a minute, find that. Okay, no problem. So select these and these and assign them here. Check again. Yeah, no problem. Good. Go back to front view. Go select these, inner, select E and S to extrude, and then scale V. No, I forgot to remove the proportional level. Scale V gives us this. Edges, edge select, and scale it, just like that. Then face select, select these, and select, check deselect, select every other one. Then I to answers, E to extrude, and S to scale. I'm gonna give you this. Then go to individual order and scale it down like this. Then maybe we should move them a bit like this. Yeah, almost good. And it seems to be good. Edge select, like this loop and this loop, and mark them as sharp, like this. Go to shell, select, and remove these. Okay, shell, select. Okay, shell, okay, select, remove this, and this. Remove this, and this. Okay, and it's fine. And go on this select, and select. Like this. Okay, that's it. And sign. Maybe we should create baseball spikes. We may need some colors for them. Okay, so spikes. And it's going like this. So, good. Okay, now it's good. Go back to front view. Now we're gonna add some material for that. Do the editor. Go to material, new material, go to base color, the yellow dot over here, click on it, image texture, open, and select the file that you're going to find in your description. I already have it here. Select, okay, have it here. Select all, A, then